In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate overlays. We'll be working inside the StreamElements dashboard, and I'll walk you through both duplicating an entire overlay and duplicating a specific widget or layer inside the overlay editor. This is helpful when you want to reuse an existing layout instead of building everything again from scratch. To get started, head to the StreamElements dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Streaming Tools section. Click that and then select Overlays. This will take you to the area where all of your saved overlays are listed. Now find the overlay card you want to copy. On that overlays box, click the three vertical dots to open the options menu. From that menu, choose Duplicate. This creates a copy of the overlay, which is useful if you want a similar version for a different scene or stream setup while keeping the original unchanged. After duplicating it, open the copied overlay in the editor by clicking Edit. Once the editor loads, go to the left side of the screen and expand the Layers menu. This panel shows all of the individual elements that make up the overlay, such as widgets, text, images, and other layer-based components. From the Layers menu, click the specific widget or layer you want to copy. Make sure you select the exact element you want, especially if your overlay has many layers stacked together. Once it's selected, click the duplicate icon on the layer or in the toolbar. This will create a copy of that selected element. If your goal is to send that widget to another layout instead of only duplicating it in the current one, choose Other Overlays. Then select the target overlay where you want that widget to be copied and click Submit to confirm. That's the full process. First, you duplicate the main overlay from the Overlays page, and then, if needed, you can go deeper into the editor to duplicate individual layers or move a widget to another overlay. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to double check the copied overlay or widget afterwards so you can confirm everything appears in the right place. This is especially useful when working with complex layouts that contain multiple elements, and that's how to duplicate overlays in StreamElements quickly and efficiently.